Today's Google Classroom is going to be on medial sounds or middle sounds, and all of our middle sounds today are going to be short vowels. So as you look at your screen, you'll see that each screen has a picture, and then it has some letters on the screen with a missing letter in the middle. So we're looking for middle sounds. Then down the left side on each of the screen, you'll see all of my vowels that you can choose from: A, E, I, O, and U. So you have to look at the picture, say the word, and then pick which sound is going to be in the middle. So this is a picture of a sun. I'm going to stretch it out. S, mm. Then I can use my hand to make a roller coaster. S, mm. And then I'm going to think about what sound I heard at the top of the roller coaster. S, mm. And I know that's the sound, and the sound is short U. So I'm going to click on the short U. I'm going to drag it up to the line, and then that makes the word sun. S, mm. Then I'm going to go to the next one and do fan. When I'm all done, I'm going to make sure I turn it in for my teacher to check me.